What's going on, YouTube? Today I took one trade. It ended up being a loser, but it's not the end of the day. It's a relatively small loss considering how good of a live trading experience that I've had so far. So let's go ahead and take a look at the statistics, and then we will jump into the trade itself and kind of go over my thinking behind it and why I took it. So on the day, we have a $16 loss, but with fees and commissions, it's $17.74. On the week, we're still green $18.52, and since I've started trading the live account, we are green $29.54. So it's not the end of the world. Two losers, two winners. The two winners definitely outshadow the losers by almost double, which is exactly what we want to see. So let's go ahead and jump into the trade. So the trade itself, we see this downtrend. So I start watching the market at 9 o'clock, about right here. And here's what I noticed. I noticed that we've been in a downtrend. We get this push up and then a higher low, and then I continued to wait. I didn't take a trade still because I wanted to confirm market direction. So I waited again until we get this higher high, and I'm like, okay, so we come back down to this low support area here, and I go, okay, now I have to look for my entry model. So my entry model is a flat bottom candlestick. Being that we are at the bottom of this little range that we've set up for ourselves, I really wanted to make sure that the market was going in the direction that I thought it would be, and it just didn't end up working out. So we have this little bit of a chop range, and we have a retest of the low here, and it never actually flushed it. And then we got this flat bottom candlestick right after this doji. I put my entry above the wick of that candlestick. The next candlestick I got in, and the next candlestick stopped me out. It is what it is. Had these three candlesticks not have happened, we still would not have gotten filled to our take profit anyway. So it just is what it is. We are in a downtrend, and I thought this was going to be a reversal right here, but that ended up not being the case. So it is what it is. Tomorrow is a new day, and tomorrow is a new day. However, they keep making up freaking holidays to close the stock market. So I will probably be trading on Thursday. So I'll catch you guys then. Have a good day. Bye.